Alright, tonight I have a Corbin master ring, and just as a reference to the size of the cylinders, I got a regular Corbin Mortise cylinder here. So I'm not going to explain much about these. Someone much smarter than myself has already done it, and I'm going to link a PDF article that this fellow wrote up about this lock. So yeah, there's no sense in me butchering an explanation when there's already a much better one out there. So I haven't actually gutted this lock before. I've picked it a few times, but I don't know exactly what's going on the inside, so this will be a first for me. Alright. Just gonna go ahead and lock it back up since I do have a key. Let's see here. Tailpiece is really snug. Some sort of spacer in there as well. Anyways, let's see what's going on in here. One thing I will say is these come in 5 to 7 pin variants, and I have a 6-pin variant. So these are these long Corbin spools, and the last two, chambers 2 and 3, were actually loaded upside down. This one is stuck. There we go. So, not sure why those were put in upside down, but it was only 2 of them. Alright, so here's the master sleeve. And here is the cylinder without the master sleeve. Like I said, there's a really good write-up. It's going to be linked in the comments, or in the description rather. It's a really good write-up. If you have any interest in knowing anything about these locks, I really recommend it. But yeah, these are these super long spools. These are actually in another Corbin I gutted. I think it was my 3rd video. But yeah, that's all I got on the Corbin Master Ring. Interesting lock. I figured interesting enough to put a pick in for this channel here. Yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.